Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making mouth-watering meat mandi. We need meat with bones. I prefer to use portions with fats. Let's add salt and pepper. Mix it properly. Set aside. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel for new and delicious recipes. Our salt and pepper is properly mixed. Now let's take a cooking pan. Let's add 1 tablespoon of clarified butter. Let it melt. Let's add those portions which we have marinated with salt and pepper. Stir it properly and brown meat from all sides. When you will see the color is changing, let's add bay leaf, cardamom and 1 onion, roughly sliced. If you have been looking for the perfect recipe, you have come to the right place. Give it a good mix and let's add required water. I'm using here 3 cups of rice, so I will use 5½ cup of water. It's up to the quality and quantity of rice. Let's cook the meat for 1 hour. It depends on the quality of the meat, how much time your meat will take to be tender. Let's check our meat is fully tender now. Separate the meat and gravy. In a separate clean pan, let's add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of paprika powder and 1 tablespoon of honey. Add a little quantity of our meat broth. Mix it well and it will be like a paste. At this stage our flame is off. We are not going to on the flame now. After mixing it well, on the flame. Add cooked meat and blush it on all sides. Season the meat all sides properly. When you will see its color is blushed and it's like turning red, then set aside and separate it from the pan. In the same pan we are adding 1/4 cup of oil, 1 sliced onion. Remember we have used meat with fat, so our gravy has already a lot of fat. When the onion will change the color, let's add some whole spices, bay leaves, cinnamon sticks, dry chili and dry lemon, coriander and cumin, 1 teaspoon each. Fry it for a few minutes. Now let's add our soaked rice. I have 3 cups of rice. Now add meat broth. This is the same broth which we have separated from the meat gravy. 1 tablespoon of ginger powder and 1 tablespoon of cardamom powder. This powder will enhance the flavor and aroma of the rice. We are adding yellow food color. Just sprinkle it. Spread it with the help of fork. Half a cup of raisins. Now add cooked meat portions back to the pan. Place a piece of charcoal on one side and cover it for 10 minutes. Our yummy rice is ready and we can feel incredible aroma. Separate the charcoal. It's time to serve the rice. If you like my recipes, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the notification bell for upcoming videos. If you like this recipe, don't forget to write from which city or country you are watching me from. All subtitles are available in different languages. Please enable subtitle according to your desired language. Whether you are hosting a family dinner or just craving a restaurant-style feast at home, this step-by-step guide will show you how to nail the spices and technique. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more delicious recipes. We garnish it with fresh green chilies, sliced red onions and raisins for that authentic touch. Thank you for your time. Bye.